What do we have here? Oh baby, are we doing a cold start? Maybe. Welcome back to the Powerstrokerick YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You already know it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. Oh yo. SPE. Yes sir. Right there, baby. SPE. Oh. Hello. Let's see if we can see. Oh yeah. Smoky and oily, guys. No more. We'll run her all the way back. Look at that. Look at that haze. All right. Yo, what up, guys? Welcome back to another Powerstroke video. We're out here in the old OG garage on this 38, 40 degree day here. And we got some stuff in the toolbox. SPE Motorsport, guys. So we're doing an install video. It doesn't really need a video. It's a new product. I'm gonna show you about it. We're gonna talk about it more than installing because you're pushing a barbed fitting in, you're running a line, you're bolting a catch can, and it's like a sore dick. Can't beat it as always. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And yeah, we're gonna do some talking, some chit chatting, and we're gonna show you putting it on this thing. So moral of the video. I don't know if that makes sense, but you guys got the CCV reroute kits. #1 seller probably for these 6.7 Powerstrokes. Internal catch can, you got that coming off the crankcase. Smoke and oil coming out from underneath this thing. You guys saw me under here chilling. You saw some oil. Are we sick of that? Do we not like that? If we don't like that, we have the fix for you. And it's cost efficient, cost effective. I don't know, that makes sense. So yeah, we're gonna show you. Is this thing on right now? All right guys, we're going opening the box. SPE Motorsport, new product, external catch can, adding off of your CCV reroute kit. So what do you get in the box? We got some hose with SPE stamped on it. That's pretty sweaty. Hose, right? Pretty easy. Big catch can. Fucking open this. Yo. Wow. Look at that. You got your billet SPE catch can. I'm guessing it's billet. It looks billet. You got your petcock right here for your drain. Drain the oil out that, you know, will sit in there, obviously. I do have a picture on the website of what the inside looks like. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty simple. So, whoa, that was pretty good. We also should have just a fitting. So let's see if we could open this bad boy up. My hands are really cold too, my dick beaters. Let's see if we can open this bad Jerry up. Oh, whoa, whoa. We got O-rings, we got a cap. So this is all O-ring sealed, guys. It's not welded, nothing's welded together. And we got like a, I want to say like an AN fitting, maybe not. Don't hold me on it. But we got our little 90 degree fitting. That's gonna go obviously into the one top port. Look at that. Barbed on the end for obviously the other end of the hose. And should have the mounting bracket in here. We also got another fitting. Got your barbed. This is what you're connecting to your existing reroutes. You're gonna go in like that with some zip tie and a zip tie on the other side. Connect that. We got some hose clamps. We got some screws. We got a nut. This nut is basically how we're gonna mount this to a factory stud along like the pinch welds or somewhere down under the frame. And it's gonna boom, bada bing, bada boom. So yeah, that's what we're looking like, guys. Pretty cool. So, mounting bracket. I was like, man, isn't there like a mounting bracket? Here's the mounting bracket, guys. So we have this. So this is all you got. Everything's kind of laid out here. Bunch of trash. So, reading off the website. I'm going right to the source, guys. We're not having me butcher anything here. So, you got your external catch can, right? The main thing on these trucks, like I said, you got all that CCV smoke coming out. Smells like garbage. Some oil vapors that hit your frame, which, I mean, you're kind of oil coating your truck, which is not a bad thing. But SPE designed an external catch can. Here we are. So, a unique patent pending design we affectionately call the revolver. So, actually, let me see if I can show you a picture on the website of what the inside looks like. So basically, you got the cheese grater effect, guys, in here as well. I don't know if you can see that. Is my GoPro showing you that? Let me turn my GoPro on. Cheese grater effect. You know, bada bing, bada boom. Look at that. So there you go. There's your inside right there. So they call it the revolver. They came out with this. It's new this year. Came out a few months ago. There's not a video on this, which again, it's not a hard install. You could do this with probably one arm, maybe one leg. Easy installation and maintenance. So basically, guys, you can get underneath this thing once a week and drain that pitcock if you want. If you want to feel safe like that. If not, do it every oil change. That's what they recommend. Whatever you guys want to do. It's versatile. I like that word. Robust. Man, these are some good words. So the core of our design is a woven stainless steel media housed in a baffle assembly that effectively filters oil vapor. This system ensures that vapors hitting the deflector plate are condensed and drained back, keeping the oil from coating the bottom of your truck's cab. Versatile and compatible. Designed with ability in mind, the external catch can work seamlessly, with various CCV setups. So it's kind of a universal kit, guys. If you got a CCV reroute kit, you don't have to have the SPE one to use this. It's pretty universal. Made in the USA, as always. Product reflects SPE Motorsport's commitment to quality. So if you guys want to read on the website, I'm not going to go through all this stuff because I have a 1.9 GPA. I don't read, I wrench, I do this stuff. So that's it, guys. So what you're about to see me do, I'm about to do this hose. I'm going to put the banana clip on my extended hose down there. We're going to do barb fitting. I mean, I can honestly put this in here. I mean, it comes out pretty easy too. Put the hose clamp on it, which I think in the original description it's zip ties, but we're gonna use a hose clamp. That's even better. We're gonna put this stuff on. We're gonna pre-assemble this. We're gonna find a place for the bracket. Cut and dry install, guys. It's pretty easy. I'll show you a little bit of the truck. I'm gonna stop talking because I don't feel like fucking talking today. Ooh, excuse me. I said that word. All right, y'all. Real quick. So, barb fitting. You got a 5/16 nut driver or a socket you could use. That's on. That's all tuned in. Catch can. So you got your bracket right here. It's slotted. I kind of just left this stuff in and loose right now. So to depend on where we want it. You got your nut. We're gonna use on one of the factory studs wherever we mount it. So the way you got this right here is you're doing your plug right here, which is a 9/16 Allen. There's an O-ring under this. Make sure the O-ring's there. It's O-ring seal. You got this guy right here comes in with an O-ring on the one side, other fitting on this side. So we're going on the left side. O-ring, and I'm not tightening anything right now. I'm just kind of mock fitting. You got 1.25 inches for this nut and this nut. So you tighten this one first, and when you tighten this, wherever you want it or wherever you put it, you're gonna want to hold both with both wrenches. And then, because like I said, you can put this kind of angle it wherever your little heart desires. So that's gonna be like that. Yeah, 1.25 inches. And when you tighten these down, they're O-ring seal, so you don't gotta crank them down like crazy. Just nice and snug. You'll hear the O-ring, you know, connect, compress, and yeah, we'll show you underneath the truck. All right, y'all, hear me out. Check it out. So you got your barb fitting right there, 2 hose clamps. And what I did was I tried to make it as factory as possible, but I'm running along here. I also want you guys to keep in mind, these zip ties, do not smoke them down. Same applies to when you're putting the setup on over the brake booster, you don't want to kink this hose. Same thing, we're running all the way back, we don't want no kinks. So the zip ties are there, so where it can flex a little bit, it's just snug, just to hold it in place. So I run them down here, going down yonder, and then boom, there's your catch can. I already know what you guys are gonna say. Powerstroke, it hangs too low. Powerstroke, that hangs too low. I don't want to hear it, guys. Actually, drop a comment below if you don't like how low it hangs. Honestly, guys, you don't have to mount it there. You can mount it wherever you want. Wherever your little heart desires, you can mount it. But wire ties, following them down, boom. Fitting on top, got this guy right here. You got two 10 millimeters on the top, and you got a 13 millimeter right there. Mount it to the existing stud on the pinch weld right here. This is what they recommend, and I like it. So you back it up, it looks good. I'm all right with that. It doesn't hang any lower than the tank, so there's a thing for you right there. It does not hang lower than your fuel tank. But what do you guys think? Oh, also, I added a hose clamp up there just to be extra cautious. It's a barb fitting, you don't have to, but just to be safe, I added it. So we're gonna start this bad boy up, make sure she don't die. Also, before I forget, I had more than enough hose. I actually trimmed this much hose off, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Wire ties, make sure you use either a zip tie cutter or some flush cutters. Make sure there's no nibbles on the end that you're gonna cut yourself with. And yeah, so let's start her up, see what we got here. Might as well take you guys in the cab with me. Where's my keys at? My keys are chilling right here. Got some new seat covers, guys. Also, I don't know what happened here. Oh, yo, copper. Missing vents, missing pieces, missing console. What am I up to? Just color matching everything. That's why Dave loves me. The little squigglers. Oh, yo. Hey-yo. Bracket. Bada bang, bada boom, guys. What do y'all think? So guys, this is what you want to see. If you can see that smoke, it might be hard to see. If you can see that smoke rolling out, that is what you want to see. So, if you don't see that smoke, not a good sign. So guys, that's it. That's this install video. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Any questions, drop them down below. Head over to SPE, tell them Powerstroke sent you, as always. Yeah, 20-minute install, guys. Pretty cool. So, just chilling like a little kitten underneath the truck. Read on their website. Figure it out, see what you want to do. Peace.